Ghirardelli Square is one of my favorite places to come in San Francisco, located in Fisherman's Wharf. This used to be the old Ghirardelli Chocolate Factory where they made the chocolate. Now it's kind of a neat shopping center, and they've also got places where you can buy the Ghirardelli chocolate and sundaes, and they've got places right here. We're gonna start in the chocolate shop where they have all of the Ghirardelli chocolates that they tempt you with. 40 squares of chocolate will be $19.95. They like you to come in this way on your way in to buy their famous sundaes, ice cream, things like that, so that you get tempted to buy a little bit more. We're gonna sneak past the cashier as we see somebody with a banana split, and we see the soda fountain here. They're wearing their classic soda jerk outfits with the Ghirardelli hats. In the back, you can see these original machines from back in the day when it was the factory, and they've even got like a little museum here in the back with the old chocolate mills, how they made chocolate back in the day. Still making the waffle cones right here, but they still make chocolate in this factory, which is pretty cool. You can see these things are actually mixing chocolate here in the back. By the way, if you want to know how that all works, this is not the Discovery Channel. I encourage you to find the YouTube video about making ice cream. Big seating area in here. And by the way, if you've been to Disney's California Adventure, you'll know that they have a very similar setup there. I'm gonna go out this side door is to avoid the lines. By the way, Ghirardelli Square, where we see it, there is Alcatraz right there in the distance. So that's roughly where this is in relation to the bay. Now that we've seen the Ghirardelli soda fountain and chocolate shop, I'd like to show you the rest of this plaza, because when you come here, don't just go to Ghirardelli, go see the whole square, as they call it. This is the map. We're gonna go down the middle and then around the street and back on Beach Street. There's a cool fountain in the center. What is the fountain of? Like some turtles and some mermaids. Across from the fountain is the Cheese School of San Francisco, where you can learn how to make cheese. There's actually a quote on there that says, "You have to be a romantic to invest yourself, your money, and your time in cheese," so says Anthony Bourdain. Now the classic Ghirardelli sign right up on here on top of Ghirardelli Square, you see this from miles away. The building is from 1899, and right here there's a place called Palette Tea House. I just finished having dinner there. They have some amazingly delicious dim sum in there. So if you like dim sum, check it out. It's by the owners of Koi Palace. Got a whole video about that too. By the way, if you find the line at the original Ghirardelli too long, you can also get the same Ghirardelli ice creams right here, except these will be all made to go instead of for here, but then you can just eat it out in the square. No big deal. There's a number of small little stores that are in here, though many of them are closed because I'm filming this at 7:30, so right about sunset. There's a cool coffee shop here out on the left. I love this store. This store is like, has all these like little cutesy stuffed animals. If the traveling princess was here, she would love this store. There's another gift shop here called Lola. What do they sell? Oh, just all the things you would expect gift shops to sell. Cards, bags, that sort of stuff. Now there's historically been another Ghirardelli soda fountain shop right here. Says something's coming in summer 2022, so you can probably find more Ghirardelli ice cream in there when that reopens. Here's another view that you can see out of the San Francisco Bay, and there's 3 people that are swimming right there in the water. We're gonna go down and check out the mini golf and the arcade on our way down to the street, but it says, hey, when this reopens, it's gonna be hot fudge made daily at their chocolatier station. If you got little doggies, there's a doggy shop where you can buy doggy clothes and all the things for a little doggy. Down here is the San Francisco Brewing Company with a beer garden. And then it's down there. There's also really good, clean restrooms down there if you need to use the restroom. And we got two more things back here. There's cigars? No, vinegars. Vinegars and spirits, and looks like another kind of gift shop, clothing shop. Okay, I want to take you downstairs now to see the boba tea mini golf place. This is pretty wild. This is new since the last time I was here, and the arcade. Let's check out T Square first. These places all close pretty soon. They close at 8, so if things look like they're closing up or nobody's here, that's why. So this place is boba tea, snacks, and mini golf, where you can get your boba tea right here, and you can play mini golf in the back. Look at this place. They've got like the San Francisco row homes back there. They got a windmill in the back, and it's all got views of Alcatraz off in the distance. You can see the, pick whatever golf club you want. Of course, I'd want the yellow one, but that probably looks a little too small for me. Friendly people who work here. I love friendly people. And then just across from that is the arcade. Let's go ahead and go in this door. They got a couple of doors. This arcade is pretty new, pretty bright, and of course, if you watch my videos a lot, you'll know that I love to play Dance Dance Revolution. So now there's a Dance Dance Revolution Supernova machine here at Fisherman's Wharf, which is pretty cool. What else is in here? If you've got kiddos, they might enjoy the air hockey or some of these ticket games. There's classic skee ball in the back, some neat pinball machines, crane games that I never do well at crane games. And so if I hadn't probably walked 10 miles already today, I might be playing some Dance Dance Revolution. And then this, which is like a virtual reality lightsaber game. Oh no, that looks cool too. Okay, let's head down to the street level of this plaza. As we do that, I want to point out this neat seating area that's right here in front of the mini golf place. You can get some beers that are in there, and just look at this awesome view. It's kind of like a little hidden patio. So now when you come here, it won't be hidden to you because you'll come down the staircase where nobody comes. All right, so going down this staircase, one of the things to point out about this plaza, though, it has its own parking garage. Really expensive, though. So you might want to consider using Spot Hero. I've mentioned this in all of my Fisherman's Wharf videos, and these videos are not sponsored by Spot Hero, but using the app, you can find way cheaper parking down here. I parked at the Fisherman's Wharf Marriott for all day for like $9, which is about what 1 hour would cost you in Fisherman's Wharf. So there's some more stores that are down here. There's like a virtual reality store, closed because it's too late. There's a creative cooking for kids, so you could get your kids lessons on how to cook. By the way, this is the parking garage. You can see it's $8 for the first hour, $4 for the second hour. Each additional hour is $8, and all day is $36. Definitely looks like more things are going to be coming here. San Francisco is kind of just coming back to life again with tourists after the pandemic, but this has always been a super vibrant place to come. And you can easily just walk by it if you're walking by here at ground level and never go up, or just go to the soda fountain but never walk in. But now that you've seen this video, you won't do that, and you won't get stuck in just the one line for the Ghirardelli soda fountain, because now you're gonna know that there's like 4 of them, including this one at street level, where you can get the Ghirardelli to go. The hot fudge sundae is $14. It's not cheap, but it's pretty good. We'll just pop into this one a little bit. You can see this one looks similar to the one we saw up there. And then with the iconic selfie spot right here, Ghirardelli Square, you can get the sun. You can sit right here. You can watch the sunset. Great place to watch the sunset. And then you head up there find those beer garden shops, restrooms, and shaded. So they actually tell you it's restrooms because they want you to come use their restrooms. So fellow explorers, if your travels bring you to San Francisco, definitely check out Ghirardelli Square. See more than just the soda shop. Find the one with the shortest line. Check out the rest of the plaza. Eat some delicious dim sum. And if you want to check out the other stuff that's going on in Fisherman's Wharf, you might enjoy watching my video right here. Click on it to watch. It's my walking tour of Fisherman's Wharf, or you can check out our whole San Francisco series just down below. Why aren't I pointing to it? Because I already took my gimbal down and it's in my hand, so that's what my head is the point. All right, as usual, I won't say goodbye because I'll see you in one of those videos.